Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's topic writing console output. And myself, Srikanth, Associate Professor of EC Department, Karnool. In the last video, we just focused on Java installation. Come to know how to install Java, and you can refer the video in channel Srikanth's Tech Talk. Let us move today's topic called writing console output, which is very important to divert our results to monitor the system, the standard output device. Just list out some important points that we need to remember. The topic it is writing console output. In Java language, to write outputs to standard output device, that is monitor in our case. So we have given two built-in functions, and they are first one print, second one print ln, where after displaying output, cursor comes to the next line. Then you go with a function called println. So whereas in print, after displaying the output, the cursor waits. So that is the only difference between print and println. So the second point to remember is that these two built-in methods are available in a package called java.lang. Two built-in methods are available in a class called system, where S is a capital letter system. So these two built-in methods are available in a class called system. And this next point we need to remember that the system class is available in a package called java.lang. In Java, so the following syntax is used to use a package in our program. Syntax is, it is a import keyword. We need to mention the package name dot java dot lang dot, and we need to mention the class name, end with semicolon. So to use print and println methods, it is mandatory to include a package called java.lang, and the class we need is system. So, so next point we need to remember that the println methods can be used using system dot out screen. Point we need to know that system dot out is used to represent standard output device, monitor in our case. So at last, the following syntax are used. Syntax is can be used to work with syntaxes are, it is system.out.print, so where we need to put in double quotes some text. So whatever the text you put it in double quotes, it is displayed on the monitor and the cursor is waiting in the same line. Or you can go with one more syntax, that is system.out.print ln in double quotes, parenthesis, open the parenthesis, and within quotes you put some text, close the double quotes, close the parenthesis, and end with semicolon. In this case, the cursor comes to the nest. So these are some of the important points that we need to remember while working with writing console output. So I just review the things what we have discussed till now. So in Java language, to write the outputs to the standard output device, we have given two methods. One is print, so where the cursor is waiting in the same line after displaying your output, and there is one more method called println, so where the cursor comes to the next line after displaying your output. And these two methods, they are available in a class called system, where S is capital. Because the Java is case sensitive language, we have to make the class name, the first letter has capital. And the system class, it is available in a package called java.lang. So to work with system class, it is mandatory to import the package by using a line called import java.lang.system. And the print and println methods can be used a stream called system.out, where the system.out is used to represent standard output device, that is monitor. And we have to use these two syntaxes to work with print and println method. System.out.print in double quotes write the text, or we can go with system.out.println within double quotes text. So print displays the output and waits in the same line, whereas println displays your output and makes the cursor to next. Hope the theoretical points are clear, and now we write a Java program. So where I take a notepad editor and start writing a program. So the intention is to, so I am working with print and print ln methods, which is a comment, single line comment. So then in the next line, I'm going with a import statement. So where I'm writing import java.lang.s capital system end with semicolon. So I need java.lang.system to work with print and ln method. In one video, we try to discuss the structure of writing a Java program, but at present you just try to uh, focus the syntaxes of print and println method. I will take a video where we come to know the structure of Java program to write a Java program. After importing the package, so we need to write a class. So we need to give a class name here is our choice, and we need to follow the rules of identifiers. As it is my first program, I write a class name as first program. Right? So within the class, we need to put the main method. So where we follow a syntax called publish static void main. Within the parenthesis, we need to pass a string array where string is a class. So that's why S is capital. Then in the main method, I I will use print and println methods to check the result, right? I am going directly with system dot out dot print. I am telling welcome to in one line. I am more print statement some space Java programming. So here I make use of print. Okay, so we just check after execution if I meant to change in the code, right? I write one more system dot out dot print ln, so where I want to tell my first program, first program using for system dot or dot println. Thank you for learning. I close the main method and close the class. So now I want to save this Java program. I go to file menu, select save as option, and I create a new folder in the D drive folder where I write a folder Java programs as my folder name. So within this, I will give a file name as class name that we have given in the program, first program dot Java. it is very important that whenever you save your Java program, it is mandatory to give the file name has the class name that you have taken. It should match the uppercase and lowercase also. So in the first program, I have placed F as capital and P as capital, and I have mentioned the same in the file name also, and I have to give a extension called .java because I am doing a Java program, and click the button save, right? So now the program is saved. Now I can move to command prompt, and you can see that I am working in a path called C drive users my PC. So I want to jump to my location where the Java program is saved. For that, you need to have some commands. The first command is cd slash, where we divert to C drive. Then I jump to D drive by using cd space d colon. Cd stands for change directory. Is not giving access to work with D drive. So I just save my program in C drive, save as. Select C drive folder. I place a folder called Java. Within the folder Java program with first program.java. Save it. Go to the command prompt. So here let us see the dir command. Let us see whether my Java folder is available or not. It's available. So dir stands for list of directories. So now I want to jump to Java folder, ed space Java. So changing my path to Java folder. Yes, now I am in my Java folder, right? So I can see the list of files by using a command called dir, right? So where I come to know that there is a file called first program. Right? So now my job is to compile the first program.java file. For that, I just clear my screen by using a command called cls. So my clear screen is cleared. Now I like to use a command called javac, which is used to compile the Java program. Now I need to give the file name, that is first program dot java. So this is the compilation process. If you have any errors, we get an error. Otherwise, we get immediate prompt. So there are no errors. We directly get the immediate prompt. Now we can execute our program by using a command called Java and the file name, that is first program. And when I press enter key, it gives the result, right? I can see my result where I come to know the first print statement that is in my program, it is welcome to, right? So it is printed in the command prompt, right? Immediately after that, it is printing Java programming with some space in the second print statement, which is in the same line. So after that, my first Java program is also printed in the same line, right? Because here I have used print statement. So here I am going with println. So that's why the cursor, after printing this output, it comes to the next line that we can observe. Right? After for Java program, the cursor is coming to next line, and you are printing thank you for learning, right? And here also you are using println statement, and you can see the empty space it is, right? So I like to do some changes in my program, right? So here I like to add a new line by placing println, right? And I like to remove ln here, right? I save this program, file, save, then go to command prompt. So as there is some change in our program, so we need to compile again javac first program dot java. Then we need to execute. As there are no errors in my program, I just execute. Right? So we have some yes, the name of the file is wrongly typed. I just correct it. It is FIRST PRAM. Great. We are getting the output what I'm expecting. The first line it is contained welcome to Java programming. In the second line I'm telling it is my first Java program, and I'm in the last line I'm telling that thank you for. So this is today's learning. So where we focused on print and println methods and the syntax of print and println methods, and we also come to know how to import a class of a particular package or statement, and we have written our first program so using print and println statement where we work with only text. There are no way, right? So thank you for patience listening. Come with more video in few weeks.